Hi, good evening. I'm here to present before you the social exchange theory, and I hope this video is going to make it much simpler for you. So, to put it in simple words, the social exchange theory talks about how we build relationships on the basis of exchanges amongst each other. And when we talk about social exchange, it's more like there's a give and take that happens. And due to this give and take, there is a relationship built. When we say give and take, it's not only related to in terms of things, but it also in terms of your time that you spend with your fellow beings around you, that you tend to build a relationship. So, to present before you a few points about the social exchange theory. The social exchange theory is a sociological and a psychological theory that studies the social behavior in the interaction of two parties that implement a cost-benefit analysis to determine risk and benefits. Also, the theory involves economic relationships in which each party have goods that the other party values. So the social exchange theory suggests that these calculations occur on romantic relationships, friendships, professional relationships, relationships in general, as exchanging words with the customer, at the cash register, etc. So, coming to the point, this particular theory developed in the United States, and there were basically two major American sociologists, one John Thibaut and Harold Kelly, who played a significant role in developing this theory. Nevertheless, you also have American sociologists, that is George Holmes and Peter Blow and Richard Emerson and so on, followed by Claude Lévi-Strauss, who played a very significant role in the development of this theory. Now, the major way that how the social exchange is defined by sociologists is that it refers to an exchange of activity, both tangible or intangible, and more or less rewarding or costing between at least two persons. Now, the founder of this theory is George Holmes, and later on other theorists like Peter Blow continued. Nevertheless, when we talk about this theory, the major focus here is on Holmes's work as well as Peter Blow's theory. So we specifically are going to look at minutely at the works of Holmes as well as Peter Blow. And to put it in a simple words, Holmes' work emphasized that individual behavior of actors in interaction with one another, there are various modes of exchanges, and Holmes centered his studies on dyadic exchange. And if you talk about Peter Blow, then he takes it on from what Holmes speaks of. So this is in brief, to begin with, about the social exchange theory, and this is just an introduction to it. And it has several concepts that you will come across in this particular theory, which is about cost and rewards, as well as worth, outcome, and so on. And these all can be looked at from the works of George Holmes as well as Peter Blow. Thank you.